Hi, welcome to Marketing in the Matrix. My name is Dave Olsolnik. I'm the Optometry Brand Manager, and today I want to talk a little bit about SEO in the emerging landscape of voice-activated search. You've probably seen some of the names in voice-activated search. It would include Apple Siri, Google Now, and the newest one in that field is Microsoft's Cortana. The big thing that these new search mechanisms are trying to do is answer questions, okay? Before, you used to go to a search engine and type in optometrist in a city or pizza place in a city, whatever it was you were looking for, and you're trying to use the keywords to trigger the right search results. Now, what these new devices are doing is they're trying to get it to where a consumer can ask a question right to their mobile phone. Where is the closest eye doctor to me? What is the best pizza in this city? And what they are doing is they're trying to answer the question outright for the front-end user. So the real question is, well, how do I get found in this new landscape? Well, there's two main considerations. Number one, you got to be mobile responsive. Your website has to perform well on all mobile devices, and responsive is different than mobile ready. So keep that in mind, and if you have questions, of course, we're here to help. The other big thing you want to focus on is having the answer to the question. Think in terms of what content on my website would answer the question that a consumer is looking for. The great news is you don't have to focus on keywords as much as you had to in the past. You really just have to focus on having the right content to answer the pertinent questions that are being asked and let these new search mechanisms do the rest. So, as a brief introduction, I hope that helps. Again, if you have questions, you can always call us here at iMatrix. The number is 1-800-iMatrix. We're happy to talk to you. And again, have a great day. Take care.